How to move the camera in Blender. Well, as you can see, here's my camera. I can select it and I can either move it around with the move tool, which might be a little hard to do if you want a specific viewpoint. So a faster and easier way to do this, if you press Ctrl Alt and 0 on your keyboard, you will see you will get into this menu, and now if you press N, you will get this these options here on the right hand side, and you want to make sure you're in view. So from here you want to go to lock and select camera to view to be locked into this. Now I can press N to exit again, and now I can just move around my camera to wherever I want it to be, like for example at the back of the monkey head. And once I'm satisfied with that, I can press 0 again on my keyboard and it will move the camera to the back to the specified point. So if I zoom out here and press Ctrl Z to undo, you will see how the viewport changed like that. And this is where I started off from, and as you saw, the camera moved to the back. So if I do this again, Ctrl Alt 0, I can zoom in and look at the left side, press 0 again, and now my camera is moved to the left hand side. So if I press 0, I can go back into what my camera sees. So that's how you can easily move the camera in Blender. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.